Across the natural world, humans share their surroundings with an incredible variety of living organisms, sometimes encountering nature much closer than expected.
Modern life can keep people separated from wildlife, yet unexpected encounters still happen when humans enter the environments where organisms live.
The article asks readers to consider which local organism they have encountered that was unusual enough to cause an injury. Rather than presenting a single answer, the article turns the question into a local poll, inviting people to compare unusual experiences with nature. A black bear appears in the article's imagery, representing one example of the larger variety of organisms found in the region. Jellyfish are also featured in the article, alongside other examples, highlighting how varied the living world around people can be. A hawk is another organism pictured with the article, adding a bird of prey to its collection of local wildlife imagery. The poll deliberately keeps its focus local, asking readers to think about encounters within their own surrounding natural environment. The article also excludes microscopic life forms from its poll, noting that their enormous numbers make including them impractical. Ultimately, the poll turns unusual human experiences into a simple reminder: nature is diverse, nearby, and sometimes surprisingly unpredictable. That limitation keeps the poll focused on more familiar organisms that readers can recognize from their own experiences. The question encourages readers to remember unusual experiences, rather than simply listing the most familiar animals in the region. The article's central idea is simple. Surprising experiences with living organisms can become stories people remember for years. Wild organisms occupy many habitats, from forests and coastlines to aquatic, making encounters with nature highly varied. The jellyfish imagery provides a reminder that some organisms encountered by people live in the water rather than on land. The hawk imagery similarly highlights how encounters can involve organisms moving through the air above terrestrial habitats. The poll ultimately invites personal experiences, allowing readers to decide which organism they consider the strangest encounter. By focusing on personal experiences, the article turns an ordinary question into a broader reflection on human encounters with nature. From land to water and sky, the featured organisms represent only a small glimpse of the living world around us. Nature surrounds us with remarkable diversity, and sometimes the strangest stories begin with one unexpected encounter between a person and another living organism.